Why do 70% of people never reach their full potential? Because they let excuses hold them back instead of taking action. We all make excuses at times. It's a way to dodge responsibility or justify why something wasn't done. But while it may seem harmless, excuses hurt no one but yourself. In your career, saying "I won't get it" stops you from progressing. Over time, these missed opportunities lead to stagnation and regret. For your health, "I'll start tomorrow" or "I'm too tired" leads to physical decline and disappointment. Neglecting your health only makes things worse in the long run. When it comes to learning, saying you're too old or too busy limits your growth. This mindset stops you from advancing and adapting. And in relationships, "I have too much work" weakens your connections. Avoiding social events can lead to loneliness and disconnection. Making excuses may feel safe, but they come at a cost. Take responsibility for your actions, stop making excuses, and watch yourself grow. Remember, making excuses does not hurt anybody but yourself.